So we have a question that says, are firm acquisitions ever done to grow firm staff and headcount? Hiring and turnover is extremely expensive. And I'm thinking about an acquisition more from a staffing perspective. The retiring attorney's book of business would be an added bonus, but you're looking to essentially obtain talent. Absolutely. Having that book and everything else. But one of the common reasons that sellers come to us in the marketplace is they're maybe ready to retire, or they know they need a succession strategy, an exit strategy. Maybe they want to work a few more years, but they also have maybe, a paralegal or a few paralegals or some associates that aren't going to be the owners that they want to make sure are taken care of. They're good employees. They're usually long-term employees that have been there, and they want to make sure there is continued employ for that. So yeah, we've seen that a lot, especially in larger firms, some of the AM law firms that have done a lot of roll-ups and everything else. I mean, they're looking at acquiring talent that they're missing potentially because it's hard to recruit that. And so they can, acquire it from that strategy through that acquisition. And again, though that talent has to be evaluated, you'd evaluate it on the front side of it, looking at the firm, going through that to really see. But talent acquisition is a great part of it. At the end of the day, law firms are a human capital business, right? I mean, they really are. So if you're looking to, add to that overall value of your firm through human capital, you're acquiring it from other firms as compared to, self-hiring, training, going through all of that, having some potential misses to do that. And typically, you just want to make sure that that acquisition with retention is handled correctly so that you can evaluate, but you can make sure that those employees that may join your team through an acquisition, they know that you're doing this with them in mind, meaning you're doing this for the purpose, right, of, retaining them and keeping them in good graces, keeping their comp, their role, everything else from that side. So we have a question that says, are firm acquisitions ever done to grow firm staff?